Witch hazel can be a game changer when it comes to hair and scalp care. In this video, we'll explore the various ways you can embrace witch hazel for healthier hair and scalp. First up, use witch hazel as a scalp toner. By mixing equal parts of witch hazel and water, you can create a powerful scalp toner that balances the pH level and removes excess oil. Simply apply it to your scalp using a cotton ball or spray bottle, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse with water. Next, let's talk about dandruff treatment. Witch hazel's astringent properties can help reduce scalp inflammation and control dandruff. Mix witch hazel with a few drops of tea tree oil, apply it to your scalp, leave it on 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with water. If you're looking to stimulate hair growth, witch hazel can be your secret weapon. By mixing it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, you can increase blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. Massage the mixture into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight, then shampoo and condition as usual. Use as a natural hair rinse that removes product buildup and adds shine. Mix equal parts of witch hazel and water. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse with water. Witch hazel can also be a great hair detangler. By mixing it with water and spraying it onto your hair before combing or styling, you'll find that your hair becomes more manageable. It can even be used as a leave-in conditioner. Lastly, witch hazel's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an itchy scalp. Simply apply it directly to the affected areas using a cotton ball or your fingertips. Leave it on for a few minutes and rinse with water. Before using witch hazel on your hair, remember to do a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. And make sure to choose an alcohol-free witch hazel product, as alcohol can be drying to the hair and scalp. So embrace the power of witch hazel for your hair and scalp. You will thank me later. Remember, your engagement is what keeps this channel going. If you have any questions about the methods we've discussed today, or if you have any hair care tips of your own, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and your experiences. Also, if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when I upload new content, packed with valuable tips and techniques for maintaining healthy, beautiful hair.